flying.
That was fun though.
Uh-huh. What was happening?
I don't know. It was chaotic there, right? Like people were running. I think their trash flew on the middle of the street or something.
Like,
So dangerous.
it's better to stay there, like, to be fast.
Yeah, they were so dangerous.
Huh?
We're crushing it.
Yeah, we are.
They said we would see the gas station at the end of the road, right?
Uh-huh.
Woo!
Ooh, not that.
Got air. Horses.
Let's steal one. I need a trailer for my tail. We could make it home in like 2 days.
With the
Going at
horse.
10 miles per hour.
I love that. Love you.
But if we both tow with both bikes, we get there by tomorrow.
Whee!
I can move here.
Right? It's actually nice here too.
Yeah,
Quiet too.
very nice. Yeah.
It's like, how are they with their taxes? Oh, I remember we passed this earlier. This little town looking thing.
Yeah, I remember this. Looks like the thing from the Universal Studios.
Undertaker,
water
it says.
the
Oh,
water.
yeah, to dump it on us, right?
Yeah, where they dump water on us and stuff.
It does look like that. The water bucket things.
Where the pirates like took over and stuff. But then the guys came back. Do you remember what I mean? The pirates one.
What?
The water show.
Oh, that we went to Universal.
Yeah, reminded me of the water show.
Oh,
With the
I
colored
see.
houses.
I see now. I understand now.
Gotcha.
Waterworks.
Oh yeah, the waterworks show.
I got you now.
My mind is slow right now.
Hell yeah, I'm slow too. I'm just looking for that gas station for us. But I think it's a little bit more.
I think, and I have still like 3/4 gas.
Uh-huh. Me too.
Nice.
But we gotta eat and put GPS and stuff anyway.
Yep,
There's bikers behind us. Is that our friends?
I think so.
They caught up. I love that.
Yeah.
Yep, that's them. I love it.